Well, today I had to drive myself to the airport. Andrea was not feeling very well. For some reason, the mold situation at the house has given her a little bit of tightness in her chest, and she hasn't been feeling very well. So I had to drive myself today. I should be done by 3 o'clock or 2:30, I think it is. I'm heading up to Stewart, New York, and back. I hate coming through security. Short trip to Stewart, Newburgh. Let's get this day started. All right, one down, one more to go, and then I'm off for 4 days. Got there some white rice.
Yep.
Some veggies, Tostones, and some ground turkey. Alright, well, this vlog for today is over. Unless some crazy stuff happens
Well,
from
you never
here.
know, because we're going to drink.
You never know what's gonna happen because we're gonna drink. We're gonna have dinner.
Eat more plantains.
That's so sexy.
Yeah.
I know you said you have your own
Plantains.
I never had them until I met you.
Yeah.
What?
It's like one of my favorite things.
No, Andrea loves plantains. If you don't know what plantains are, Google it. And go find a restaurant near you.
It's not even like, oh, my boyfriend.
Cuban, Puerto Rican, Dominican, and ask for tostones. Just like that. Can I have a side of tostones? Thank me later. Leave it in the comments. If you're a fan of tostones, write something nice down there. See you tomorrow.
I'm eating.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop vlogging. I gotta go eat. Come on, Andrea. More, a little more.
No.